In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your website on Hostinger in just about 5 minutes. If you've got a great idea and you're eager to bring it online, you've come to the right place. Let's get started. First up, open your web browser and head over to Hostinger's website. It's a user-friendly platform that's perfect for hosting websites, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned expert. Once you're there, the next step is to log into your account. Look for the login button, typically located in the upper right corner of the page. Click on it and you'll be directed to the login page. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry. You can easily sign up by following their straightforward registration process. After you have logged in, you will be taken to the Hostinger homepage, which may also be referred to as the H panel. It's the central hub for managing your hosting services and quite intuitive to navigate. Take a few moments to familiarize yourself with its layout. Once you're comfortable, direct your attention to find the Marketplace option in the menu. Click on it. This section will help you explore various hosting options and services Hostinger has to offer. Next up in your journey is selecting web hosting from the Marketplace options. By clicking this, you'll gain access to a variety of hosting packages specifically tailored for different needs. Now you might want to explore these options further, which is easy to do. Just click on Explore. This will provide you with more in-depth details about each package, including what features are included, their price, and the benefits of each package. Now that you have a better understanding of the hosting options available, it's time to select the plan that best suits your needs. Hostinger typically offers several plans, each crafted to cater to different levels of website traffic and storage needs. Take your time to evaluate your needs, whether it's a personal blog, a business site, or an e-commerce platform. Choose a plan that aligns with your goals and budget. Selecting the right package is crucial because it can determine your site's performance and scalability. And there you have it, a seamless process to set up hosting on Hostinger. Remember, hosting is just the foundation, but it's the grounding force that ensures your website runs smoothly and effectively. Once chosen, follow through with the purchase and you'll be one step closer to launching your website. Thank you for watching, and good luck on your journey to building an amazing online presence. Keep an eye out for more guides to help you make the most out of your hosting experience.